If you like today's video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Welcome back, sweetie. How was your day at school?
It was good, Dad. I learned about animals today.
That sounds interesting. What did you learn about animals?
We talked about different types of animals, like mammals and birds.
That's great. Can you tell me something interesting you learned about mammals today?
Sure, Dad. Mammals are animals that have fur or hair and they can give birth to babies.
Wow, that's fascinating. You are really learning very fast. My sharp child.
Thanks, Dad. And do you know I also played soccer during recess, and guess what? Our team won. It was so much fun with my friends.
That sounds like a fun day.
Of course, Dad. We get recess just one day in a week.
And how was your lunch at school today? Did you finish all or just ate only half of lunch?
I had a sandwich and some apple slices which I have all finished.
Along with your friends or alone?
No, Dad. Actually, our teacher rearranged all of our friends' seat. So I sat with new ones. And made new friends today. But still I don't like teachers' new theory, why they used to always separate friends.
That's so cool, kiddo. Making new friends can teach you a lot more new things. Is there anything else you want to share about your day at school?
Not really, Dad. I'm just hungry now.
Alright, let's get you a snack after then, we can talk more about your day. You'd like to get to know anyone more better.
Yeah, actually, there's a girl named Emily. She seems to be nice, and we both like drawing.
That's wonderful. Tomorrow, maybe you can try sitting with Emily and strike up a conversation about your shared interest in drawing.
Okay, Dad, I'll give it a try.
I'm sure you'll make a new friend in no time, sweetie. And remember, I'm here to support you with anything you need. Did you get any homework from your teacher today?
Yeah, I got some homework. I have to read a chapter from my history book, and also answer some questions.
That's great that you know what you need to do. We can work on it together later if you'd like.
Thanks, Dad. That would be really helpful. But I think I can do it alone. Also, I have maths test tomorrow. You can help me in that.
Sure. Right now I am going for my pending office work. After returning back, I will surely help you out with your problems. Is there something you want me at evening?
Yes, please bring something delicious to eat.
Anything preferred?
It could be either pizza or burger.
Okay, I will get it for you by evening.